Good day. In this video, we are going to try to solve question 1D and 1E of the 2021 NCEA Level 1 Algebraic Procedures in Solving Problems question. Both these questions are excellent questions, and so if you want to get excellent in this paper, you have to get both of these questions right. So the question for 1D is as follows. Solve the equation W is equals to solve the equation W4 minus 18W squared plus 81 equals to 0. Okay, before you know it, okay, we have never done 4 before. So to do that, we need to break them down into a quadratic. So let first A be equal to W squared. So when you have W squared, it's going to be W squared, okay, minus 18W squared plus 81 equals to 0. In other words, that becomes A squared minus 18a plus 81 equals to 0. Okay, now we are going to factorize. To solve a quadratic, this is a quadratic, we need to factorize. So my method I always use is A, and then we're going to find a factors of 81. In this case, it's very simple. It's going to be minus 9 and minus 9. Okay, so when you multiply them, minus 9 times A is going to be minus 9A, and A times minus 9 is minus 9A. Then you add it together, minus 9A plus minus 9A is minus 18A, and that comes to the middle number here. So now we're going to put a bracket there. So the answer is going to be A minus 9, A minus 9 equals 0, or A minus 9 squared equals 0. To solve this is very simple. You square root both sides. So A minus 9 equals to 0. So your A equals to 9. That's the first part. And because we are now looking for W instead of A, so we know that W squared is equal to A. So W squared equals to 9. And to solve for W, just square root of 9. And the answer is plus 3 or minus 3. So this is an excellent question. If you can get up to this step, you get excellent. To get achieved, it's very simple. To get achieved, you just need to know that this A is equal to W squared. That's an achieve. To get merit, is you need to be able to factorize this equation. Factorize is a merit as well as plus 1 solution. If you get 2 solutions right, plus 3 and minus 3, then you get an excellent. Okay, we shall now do question 1E. Okay, 1E is rearranging formula, and let us read the question together. Okay, if R equals to 5y minus 4x divided by y minus 2x, give the equation of x in terms of y and R. Okay, whenever you have this question, so what you're going to do, you're going to multiply y minus 2x on both sides. So you're going to multiply, so the equation R equal to 5y minus 4x over y minus 2x. You want to get rid of the fraction, so what you do, you multiply y minus 2x on both sides of the equation. When you multiply, on the right hand side you get r bracket y minus 2x, and on the right hand side, the fraction that cancel out, it will give you 5y minus 4x. Okay, great. Now we want to put all the x on the left and all the other numbers on the right, so we expand the expression. Ry minus 2rx equals to 5y minus 4x. So we're going to move all the x to the left and all the other numbers without the x is on the right. So to do that, we get rid of this ry first. So minus 2rx, okay, equals to 5y minus 4x minus ry. So what we did actually, we just minus ry to both sides, okay? When ry minus ry becomes 0, and then this remains, so 5x minus 4x remain, and minus ry. Now we need to get rid of the x, and this x have to go to the other side. So what we need to do, we need to add 4x to the equation. So minus 2rx plus 4x, okay? So there's no x, 4x plus 4x equals to 5y minus ry. So minus 4x plus 4x will cancel out. So that's what you left. Okay, now you have this equation. So you need to factorize the x's. There are two x's here. So you take x out. So it's going to be minus 2r plus 4, okay, equals to 5y minus ry. And then the last step to get your x is just x. You divide both equations by minus 2r plus 4. When you divide, this will cancel out. So x will become 5y minus ry divided by minus 2r plus 4. Okay. Let me check, is it right? Ry, 5y minus Yes, that's right. So if you get this right, you get an excellence question. So if you get that correct arrangement, excellent. But to get achieve, you need to know you multiply this by y minus 2x, that is an achieve. And to get a merit, you need to put all the x's on the left and other numbers on the right, that is the merit. So in this case, if you can do both of these equations, you will get E8 in the exam. So you should be able to have no problem doing the rest of the exam. Cheers everyone, practice again, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.